Inhale, arms sweep up, gaze up. Exhale, fold forward, hinge from the hips. Plant the hands and step the left foot back. Low lunge, keeping the back toes tucked. Lift your gaze, and as you inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Exhale to find eagle arms. Left arm will wrap underneath and around the right arm. Lift the elbows so that they're in line with the shoulders. Draw your low belly in towards your spine. Keep pressing the hips down. Breathe here. And then release your hands to the mat, half splits, straighten out the right leg. Maybe staying up on the fingertips, keeping your chest lifted. Or you can find a forward fold, releasing your forehead to your knee, rounding through the upper back. Try to bring your right hip back slightly and your left hip forward to keep the hips squared.